Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. Welcome to Fix It Free. So today I will show you how to turn your manual signature on a document into a digital signature using Photoshop. Okay, so let's first import our signature. So what you need to do in this step, you need to take a signature on a paper and then take a photo of that signature and upload it to your computer, and then open the file using Photoshop. So here is my signature. Here is it. This signature is just for the purpose of the video. So as you can see, here is my signature on my Photoshop. So what you need to do in this step, we need first to take the background, which is this piece of paper, and turn the signature into a PNG file for you to place it anywhere you want without any problem. Okay, so let's first take the background. So let's duplicate first this layer, duplicate layer. Okay, and we have a duplicated layer. Let's hide this one and let's take the background. So in order to take the background, you need to click on select, and then you need to click on color range. So what color range will do is it will remove the background by selecting this level of colors. Just add plus in order to select multiple colors, or slide it like this on the background of your paper to take the whole colors related to the paper. Okay, so now you can see that only the background is selected. So you need to click delete, and now you can see the background is gone. As you can see, now we just have the signature. So here is another tip for you guys. You can place it at the center. Control D. Now the signature is deselected. So here what you can do is you can change the color of your signature if you want it on black, for example, or red. So what you need to do is click to layer style, and here you'll find color overlay, and here you can choose whatever color you want, the blue one, the red, the black, any color you want. Okay, if you want to make some customization, especially for this area here, you can click on control and select the layer again, and on the select you can add some, expand the selection into approximately 2 pixel. 2 pixel is enough. Okay, so now the selection is expanded. Now what we need to do is we need to fill this using the black again, and select the layer first. Let's adjust the diameter, and also the hardness. I need the hardness to be at 100%. In order to do this, just click on Alt and your right click mouse. Okay, so now let's fill out the signature. Control D again, and here is my final result of my signature. So now let's go over the step where you can save this as a PNG file. So what you need to do is click on save as, save on my computer. Let's put a name, my signature for example, and let's choose the type as a PNG. PNG, save, Okay, so now you can put it on any document you want or online. That's fine. As you can see, choose this option behind text, because this option will allow you to resize and move your signature as you like it, any place on your document. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand how you can do this, how you can turn your your classic manual signature on a paper into a digital signature. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to give me a like if you liked the video. Also, if you have something to ask about, ask me on the comment. Thank you guys for watching.